welcome back to Diana's Kitchen Fun. And today we are going to be starting a new series on the cooking channel. We are starting a series called Treat or Trash. Treat or Trash is when we try out a cooking gadget to see if it's a treat or should we throw it out in the trash. Now let's get testing. All right, folks, the holiday's over, so now it's time for us to start eating healthy. This kitchen gadget helps you eat healthy, but also is supposed to taste good. Today we are testing out the Magic Bullet by NutriBullet. It retails at $49.99 for the set we have.
It is a blender.
And it is a blender. It comes with all different attachments. One that you could have like for work, and there's a lid on top of it. There's a small one if you want a small cup of smoothies. And then there's a big regular sized one if you just want to have a nice smoothie and pour it into a glass, which we are going to be using this one. A pro I can see by already looking at this kitchen gadget is the blender base is tiny, small, and skinny. Other blender bases I've seen in the past are big and bulky and wide, but this is so skinny and tall, you can have so much other room for your other kitchen gadgets. Now it is time to start cooking to see if this kitchen gadget is a treat or a trash item. So let's get started. We're going to start off by spooning in some Greek yogurt into our blender. So now that our yogurt's in, I'm going to add some of our fruits in. So I'm going to take a banana and a little bit of blueberries. And we're going to add in a little bit of strawberries. I'm going to add in some almond milk. And finally, some ice. And there we go. Also, I want to note that if the blender can't take all the ice and goodies we added in, you always should add a little bit of more of your liquid so your blender doesn't get wore out. Now we're going to take the black lid with the blade attached to it and we're going to screw it on. And something I'm noticing is the lid screws on pretty easily to the blender. Now we're going to take our blender base, and there's these lines. Before we start for the moment we've all been waiting for, we are going to make sure our lid is tight. We're going to take our cup and attach it to our blender base by flipping it over and finding the line attachments. And we're going to push it down. So far it seems to be working good, and it's been getting everything nice and blended. So now let's see how this looks. It's easy to screw off, that's a pro. Now let's see how it did. Overall, the Magic Bullet did a pretty nice job. There are some ice cubes left, but that's just because I didn't blend it long enough. Everything else is smooth and amazing. Now let's give this a try. Tastes delicious. This is definitely a treat for me. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and will tune in again on Diana's Kitchen Fun. If you want to see all my other videos, you can go click the icon down below. Now, I thank you all for watching today's video. Goodbye!